Okay, well done everybody. Good morning. We've got our main activity now. So today we're learning to organise data by creating tally and frequency tables. So for our first task, I have got this question, and it's got about 60 children in year 5 who travel to school in either of 4 ways. So they can come into school on their bike, in the car, on the school bus, or walking. So this is the information that has been collected. Okay, I want you to think about how you can organise this data in a certain way which makes it easier to look at. Okay, so you're going to have a few minutes now. This resource is in the resource pack, which you'll be able to have a look at and have a go at making one of those tables. So if you pause the video now, you can have a go at that. Okay, and welcome back. Okay, you should have your table drawn now. I'm going to have a look at and discuss why those are a good idea. Okay, so I've got 2 tables on display here. One of them, on the left-hand side, you can see is what we call a tally chart. On the right-hand side, we have got what we call a frequency table. Now, I've got the quick question here. What's the same about these 2 ways of representing the data, and what's different about the ways in which the data is being represented? Yes?
So, the tally one on the left, it's represented in tally. So basically, one of the tally marks would equal one person that travels on bike. And then if you go to the frequency one on the right, they've represented it in numbers.
Okay.
So it's much clearer.
Okay, so here you can see actual individual people, can't you? Because each line, as we tally up, because we've got a group of 5, because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 across to represent the 5, and then we've got 2 more. So you can work out, but as it grows, it's more and more you have to count to get to the total. Whereas, as you say, the difference between the frequency table is the frequency is already there, the number of children is already totaled for you. Okay, any other similarities or differences between the 2 tables? Yeah?
At the top, before the tallies or the numbers, on the tally chart it says tally, and on the frequency table it says number of children.
Lovely, yes, we've got a different heading there. So we've got the travel method is exactly the same, whereas here we've got the label tally, here we've got number of children. Anything else different? Take a look down the columns, yes.
I think the last difference is that the frequency, they're totaling it.
Yeah,
so the total of it is 60, but they didn't do that on the tally one.
Absolutely, so you've got the total here, which is 60, as you say, and that wasn't on the tally one. Well done. Okay, when would you use them? When would you have an opportunity to do a tally? Why is that one more appropriate to use in some circumstances than if you use a frequency table? Yes?
I'm not sure, is it because...
When might you use a tally chart, for example? Yeah?
For recording data in science,
Yeah, so maybe, yeah, so when you're recording, so during an experiment, so when you're trying to find out something, or that aeroplane went to 5 metres, that goes in that box, that aeroplane went to 10 metres, I'm putting it in that box. So as you're gathering data, whereas maybe the frequency table, when might you use that one?
when you've gathered data and you're putting it into a different representation.
Yeah, so you're just showing that data and you're not collecting it anymore, you're just representing and showing that data. Well done. Okay. Our next job today is you're going to choose one of our 3 challenges, and likewise what we've done in our warm-up, you've got some data in each of those challenges and you've got to choose to represent that in a certain way what it asks you, so either in a tally or both, in a frequency and a tally. Okay, so enjoy those tasks. Thank you.